Today, I'm going to show you how to make free web forms with Jotform. Whether you're collecting customer inquiries, gathering feedback, or setting up a contact page, Jotform makes the entire process straightforward and accessible. Also, if you're interested in business tools that could improve your workflow, I've dropped a few links in the description down below. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to jotform.com. Once you're on the home page, you'll need to log in using your credentials. If you don't have an account yet, you can create one for free, which gives you access to all the essential form building features you'll need. After logging in, you'll land on your Jotform dashboard. Look to the upper left corner of the page where you'll see a button labeled Plus Create. Click on this button and a menu will appear with several options. From this menu, choose Form. This is where you'll begin building your web form. Next, select Use Template. Jotform provides a vast library of pre-designed templates that can save you time and give you a professional starting point rather than building everything from scratch. Now you'll be taken to the template gallery. In the search field at the top, type in Contact Form and press Enter. Jotform will display a variety of contact form templates to choose from. Scroll down through the options until you find a design that fits your needs. Once you've found a template you like, click Use Template. This will load the template into the form builder where you can start customizing it. Inside the form builder, you'll see the template laid out with different sections and fields. To customize any section, simply click on it. You can then type in your preferred text to replace the placeholder content. This could include changing field labels, adjusting instructions, or adding new questions. The interface is intuitive, so feel free to explore and adjust each element to match your specific requirements. Next, click on Settings at the top of the page. This opens the Form Settings panel where you can control various aspects of your form. Under the Form Settings section, you'll see a field labeled Title. Click into this field and type your preferred title, such as Contact Us. This title will appear at the top of your form and helps visitors understand the purpose of the form immediately. Once you've finished customizing your form and updating the settings, it's time to preview what you've created. Click Preview Form in the upper right corner of the page. This will open your form in a new window, allowing you to see exactly how it will appear to users. You can test the form by filling out the fields and submitting it to ensure everything works as expected. And that's it. You've successfully created a free web form using Jotform. From here, you can publish it to your website, share the link, or embed it anywhere you need. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.